morning, dear student. Prayer. Today we continue exercise 13.2. So take your textbook page 260, exercise 13.2, question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Do you remember laws of exponents? So question number 1. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. So here we need to simplify this expression. Okay, so first 32 and 4 is not in exponent form. So convert the 32 and 4 to exponent form. So 32 we can use prime factorization. Then we get this 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. We already learned how to transform this 32 or this type of numbers to exponential form using prime factorization, isn't it? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2. So 32 is equal to 2 raised to 5 and 4. 4 after prime factorization we get 4 is 2 raised to 2. So we can replace this 32 and 4 with here 2 raised to 5 and here 2 raised to 2. So this can be 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4 by 3 into 2 raised to 5. Okay. Now laws of exponents, here we need to use are a raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n, and next law is a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Now use this formula here. Okay, so 2 raised to 3 and here 2 raised to 2, same base like this, a raised to m into a raised to n. So we can write 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2 as 2 raised to 3 plus 2. So this is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to 4 by 3. 3 only means this is 3 raised to 1. 1 times 3 into 2 raised to 5. Now 2 raised to 3 plus 2 is 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 5. Now look here, at the numerator there is 2 raised to 5 and denominator 2 raised to 5. So we can cancel this 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5. And here 3 raised to 4 numerator and 3 raised to 1 denominator. Here like this law, a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n, same base. So this can be write like 3 raised to 4 minus 1 equal to 3 raised to 3. So this is the answer. Now question 2, 5 raised to 2 all raised to 3 into 5 raised to 4 all divided by 5 raised to 7. Okay, so here we use laws of exponents. A raised to m all raised to n equal a raised to mn. A raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n, and a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So start from here. This is 5 raised to 2 all raised to 3 like this. So multiply these powers. So this is 5 raised to 2 into 3, that is 5 raised to 6 into 5 raised to 4 all divided by 5 raised to 7. Now a raised to m into a raised to n, that is 5 raised to 6 plus 4 divided by 5 raised to 7, that is 6 plus 4, 10. 5 raised to 10 by 5 raised to 7. This is equal to, now use this 5 raised to 10 minus 7, that is 10 minus 7, 3. So 5 raised to 3. So next third question, 25 raised to 4 by 5 raised to 3. So here 25, we can replace 25. We need to write 25 in exponential form first. Here given this is an exponential form 25 raised to 4. But we can simplify this 25, isn't it? So prime factorization 25 with 5. 5 5s are 25, then 5 1 is 5, that is 25 is equal to 5 raised to 2. So this 25 replace with 5 raised to 2. So this is 5 raised to 2 all raised to 4. Here 25 raised to 4, isn't it? So that 4 also here. So 25 is 5 raised to 2 and all raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 3. Okay. Now what is 5 raised to 2 all raised to 4 at the form of m raised to n all raised to n, that is a raised to mn, that is multiply this. So this is 4 2s are 8, 5 raised to 8 by 5 raised to 3. Now this is in the form like this, a raised to m by a raised to n equal a raised to m minus n, that is 5 raised to 8 minus 3. That is 5 raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. So final answer is 5 raised to 5. So next question, 3 into 7 raised to 2 into 11 raised to 8 by 21 into 11 raised to 3. This is the fourth question. Okay. So here 3, 7, 11 are prime numbers and 21 we can split 21 into 3 into 7, isn't it? So this can be right 3 into 7 raised to 2 into 11 raised to 8 by 3 into 7 into 11 raised to 3. So here we split 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 and 7 are prime numbers. So 3 means 3 raised to 1. 7 means 7 raised to 1. 3 means 3 raised to 1. So raised to 1 numbers we simply write 3, 7, 8, 5 like that only. Now here same base numbers check. Here same base, here 3 and 3. Here 7 raised to 2. Here 7 raised to 1. Here 11 raised to 8. Here 11 raised to 3. All divided by division. So we can use these laws of exponents. So we can write this is 3. We can cut this 3 and 3 because here division and here 3 raised to 1 and here 3 raised to 1. So we can cut from here only. Then next consider next exponent form. Next exponent 7 raised to 2. So this is 7 raised to 2 minus 1. A raised to m by a raised to n means a raised to m minus n. So this is 7 raised to 2 minus 1 into next 11. 11 raised to 8 minus 3. This is equal to 7 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 7 itself into 11 raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. So the final answer is 7 into 11 raised to 5. Now fifth question, 3 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. So here multiplication. So here we can use this formula, a raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n. After simplify this, we can use this division laws of exponents. Okay. So this is 3 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, m plus n. Okay, this is equal to 3 raised to 7 by 3 raised to 7. And now in this form, that is 3 raised to 7 minus 7. This is equal to 3 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 we get 1. So this answer is 1. So next sixth question, 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. So we already learned a raised to 0 equal to 1. That means any number raised to 0 we get to 1. So 2 raised to 0 1 plus 3 raised to 0 1 plus 4 raised to 0 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Final answer is 3. Now next question 7. 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 0 into 4 raised to 0. Previous question is 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to 0. Previous question is for addition and this question is for multiplication. And a raised to 0 equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0, 1 into 3 raised to 0, 1 into 4 raised to 0, 1. 1 into 1 into 1, we get the final answer 1. Now question 8, 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. So first do operation in bracket. First expand this bracket portion, then only multiply with the 5 raised to 0. Now here also a raised to 0 equal 1. That means any number raised to 0 we get 1. So 3 raised to 0 1 plus 2 raised to 0 1 into 5 raised to 0 also 1. 1 plus 1 2 into 1 we get a final answer 2. Now question 9. 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 4 raised to 3 into a raised to 3. So first here look, this 4 we can simplify, isn't it? 4 is 2 raised to 2. We already done in previous question. Prime factorization, we get 4 is 2 raised to 2. So we can replace this 4 with 2 raised to 2. So this is equal to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 2 raised to 2 all raised to 3. This 4 is replaced with 2 raised to 2. And this 3 is all we need to write here. Okay. Into a raised to 3. And this is equal to 2 raised to 8 into a raised to 5 by 2 raised to 2 all raised to 3 is like this, a raised to m into n, all raised to n, that is a raised to mn, multiply. So 3 into 2 we get 6. So this is 2 raised to 6 into a raised to 3. Now look, this 2 raised to 8 and 2 raised to 6 same base, and a raised to 5 and a raised to 3 same base. So we can use this loss of exponent. So this can be written like 2 raised to 8 minus 6 into a raised to 5 minus 3. 8 minus 6, 2. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is 2 raised to 2 into a raised to 5 minus 3 also 2. So final answer is 2 raised to 2 into a raised to 2. Now look here, this 2 raised to 2 into a raised to 2, this is the answer, but this is like this loss of exponent, isn't it? A raised to m into b raised to m equal a raised a into b all raised to m. That is the same power, different bases. Here also same power, 2 and 2, different base. So this can be expressed like this, 2 into a all raised to 2. That is 2a all raised to 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Now question 10. A raised to 5 by a raised to 3 into a raised to 8. So this portion is like this. So first we do this, then apply this loss of exponent. Okay. So first a raised to 5 minus 3 into a raised to 8. A raised to 5 minus 3 is a raised to 2 into a raised to 8. Now apply this loss of exponent. This is equal to a raised to 2 plus 8. And this is a raised to 10. So final answer is a raised to 10. Question 11. 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 8 b raised to 3 by 4 raised to 5 into a raised to 5 b raised to 2. So here 4 base, here also 4 base. So we can use here a, b, b. So we can use this loss of exponents. Now consider 4 raised to 5 and 4 raised to 5. This is 4 raised to 5 minus 5. Like this. 4 raised to 5 minus 5. This is equal to 4 raised to 0. That is 1. We can use this or we can cut this. Anyway, any method, no problem. So here we can use one loss of exponent. That is why question is given like this. So this is 4 raised to 5 minus 4 raised to 5 into here a raised to 8, here a raised to 5. So this is a raised to 8 minus 5, then b raised to 3 minus 2. This is 4 raised to 0. 4 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into a raised to 3. 8 minus 5, 3. and 3 minus 2 1. That is final answer is a raised to 3b. Now question 12. 2 raised to 3 into 2 all raised to 2. So first do this multiplication inside bracket then with the outside portion. Okay. So first 2 raised to 3 into 2, that is 2 raised to 1. So that is in the form of this loss of exponent. So apply this. This is 2 raised to 3 plus 1, then this all raised to 2. Okay. So this is equal to 2 raised to 4 all raised to 2. And this is like this loss of exponent a raised to m all raised to n equal to a raised to m. That mn, that is multiply this. So we get 4 2s are 8. Final answer is 2 raised to 8. Now question 3. Say true or false and justify your answer. So first question, 10 into 10 raised to 11 equal to 100 raised to 11. So first question is this. So we can, is it true or false? First do this side, 10 raised to 1. This means 10 raised to 1. So 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 11. So we can use this loss of exponents. This becomes 10 raised to 1 plus 11, that is 10 raised to 12. But here given this is equal to 10 raised to 11, but the correct answer is 10 raised to 12. So this statement is false. Now next question, 2 raised to 3 greater than 5 raised to 2. Is it true? Check. What is 2 raised to 3? 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. And what is 5 raised to 2? 5 into 5, that is 25. So is this correct? 8 greater than 25. Is it correct? No, this is false. So third question, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 equals 6 raised to 5. Check is it true or false. First 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. And 3 raised to 2, 3 into 3 9, and multiply 8 into 9 we get 72. And 6 raised to 5 is this one. So this after multiplication we get 7776. So this is not equal, 72 is not equal to 7776. So this statement is also false. Now question 4, 3 raised to 0 equal to 1000 raised to 0. What is mean by any number raised to 0? It is 1. That is 3 raised to 0 1, 1000 raised to 0 also 1, 1 equal 1. So this statement is true. Now question 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. This type of question we already done in earlier, previous exercise 13.1 I think. Okay. So express this product in exponential form. So first prime factorize 108 and 196. Okay. So we prime factorize here. Both you know how to prime factorize. Okay. So 108 is equal to 2 into 2. 2, 2. Okay. So 2 raised to 2 into 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 raised to 3 and into 196, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So into 2 raised to 6 into, here 3 only 1. So 3 raised to 1. Okay. Now consider here 2 and 2, here 3 and 3. That is the loss of exponents a raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n. So apply that one here. This is 2 raised to 2 plus 6 into 3 raised to 3 plus 1. 2 raised to 2 plus 6 and 3 raised to 3 plus 1. And 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 2 plus 6 is 8. So 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 3 plus 1, 4. So final answer is 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. So question number 2, 270. You just prime factorize it and write like this. Then you get the exponential form, and 3, 4 are also same like that. So these 3 questions for homework. Now question 5, simplify. Now first question is 2 raised to 5 all raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3 by 8 raised to 3 into 7. So first we check each equal base which have equal bases. Here 7 and 7 both have same base. Here 2, here 8. We can change this 8 prime factorize. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1 is 2. So 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3. Okay, so we can replace this 8 with 2 raised to 3. Then this will become same base. So this is 2 raised to 5 all raised to 2 into 7 raised to 3 by 8 raised to 3. At the place of 8 we can substitute 2 raised to 3, then all raised to 3. This 3. Okay, 8 raised to 3 is here. So we replace 8 with 2 raised to 3 and we need to write this all raised to 3. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay, into 7. Now, this is like this, a raised to m into n. That is a raised to mn. So we multiply this 5 into 2. This becomes 2 raised to 10 into 7 raised to 3. By this is also like that. So 3 3s are 9. So this becomes 2 raised to 9 into 7. Now we can apply this laws of exponent. So this is 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 3 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 2. That is 2 into 7 raised to 2 is the final answer. In question they asked for simplify. Simplify means we need to simplify this also. So this is equal to 2 into 7 raised to 2 is 49. So 2 into 49 we get 98. So the final answer is 98. Next question 2. 25 into 5 raised to 2 into t raised to 8 by 10 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. So first we convert this 25 into 5 raised to 2. 25 is 5 into 5, so 5 raised to 2. And this 10 we can convert into 5 into 2, 10. So here we get the same basis, isn't it? So this is 10 raised to 2 is, 10 raised to 3 is 5 into 2 all raised to 3. So this is 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into t raised to 8 by 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 all raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Okay. Now 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 4 is like this. So this is 5 raised to 2 plus 2 into t raised to 8 and we can split, this can be split. So this is 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 into t raised to 4. Now this is 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 8 and write this denominator same like here also. Now use this 5 raised to 4 minus 3. Here 5 raised to 4, here 5 raised to 3. So we can use this. This is 5 raised to 4 minus 3 into this t raised to 8 and this t raised to 4 also we can write t raised to 8 minus 4 and denominator is only 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 4 minus 3 is 5 raised to 1 and t raised to 8 minus 4 is t raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 1 is 5 itself. So 5 into t raised to 4 is 5 t raised to 4 and 2 raised to 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So the final answer is 5 into t raised to 4 by 8. So third question 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5 into 25 by 5 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 5. So first look here 3, base 3, here 10, here 5, here 6, here one number is 25. So first can you change any number to same base like that you think? Okay. So this can be write like 5 raised to 2, isn't it? 25 is 5 raised to 2. Then this 10 is we can split 5 into 2 and this 6 we can split into 3 into 2. Okay. Like that you think first and apply that. So this is 3 raised to 5 into 2 into 5 all raised to 5. 10 is 2 into 5. Then this 5 is all raised to 5 into this 25 is same as 5 raised to 2 by this 5 raised to 7 into this 6 raised to 5 we can split like 2 into 3 all raised to 5. Okay. Now consider 3 raised to 5 into split this 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2 by 5 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. Okay, so split. Now apply this a raised to m. Sorry, before that we can apply this 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 2. So this can apply there. So first 3 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 plus 2. That is 7. So 5 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 7 into 2 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 5. So this is equal to here here 3 raised to 5, here also 3 raised to 5. We can cut this one and final answer is 1, but we can apply this law. We need to apply a raised to 0 equal 1, that exponent law here. That's why we write like this 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into this one. Apply this 3 raised to 5, here 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5, same base. So this is a raised to m minus n. Like that 3 raised to 5 minus 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 5. Here 2 raised to 5, here 2 raised to 5. Then the same like here 5 raised to 7 minus 7. And this is 3 raised to 0, 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. That is 1 into 1 into 1. And the final answer is 1. So this exercise is over. So write these notes in your notebook and study well. Do again and again these problems, then only you can get how to solve these type of problems. Okay, so study well. Thank you.